Hi, this is Boyden Stew, and today I'm going to show you my latest project, which involves taking a Weber grill, which was originally a gas grill. I found it at a curbside, and I've converted it to a 220 volt coil out of an ordinary range. This is the broiler coil out of a 220 volt range. Now, the interesting thing, one of the interesting things, is that you notice I have two power cords going into this unit. One is adjacent to the unit, 110 volts, but I'm only using the plus side of it. That's the little slot. And the other one goes into the house to the other side of the breaker panel, and between the two of them I get 220 volts. Now, over here is a controller from a range top, and I'm basically just using that as a switch. So how do I get basically a free barbecue out of the trash? Well, I'm going to open it up and show you. There's the coil, and you can recognize that coil. You probably have one in your range. How I got it into this barbecue is kind of interesting. I left the aluminum shaving so you can see. Basically, I cut the bracket that held the original coil to the stove, and I go around back. You'll see it. And I've just left everything open. It's a little dangerous, you might say, but you can see the bright spots. That was the metal holding the element to the inside of the range. And of course I've added my ground, and I'm going to cover this up and waterproof it and make it so that you couldn't tug on the cord to do anything. So what we have here is a trashed Weber grill with a good body. I've got all the elements needed. I've got the side shelving and this little pop out one too. And if you notice, it isn't quite wide enough. This particular coil isn't quite wide enough, and underneath I've placed a pan with lava rock. And in this particular situation, I'm using this grill, which is fine for that particular element. Now, if I can come across a GE element, it'll be about the width of the inside of the whole grill. And then my next thing, looking in the trash again, is to find another replacement Weber grill. After this, I'm going to turn off the camera, and when evening comes, I'll show you the coil glowing. Here we are in the evening. The LEDs are indicating that the burner is on, and you use that when the hood is closed. And to show you how bright it goes at 220 volts. This is a pretty small element. I can fit a larger one in here. But that gives you an idea what's going on. It's pretty hot. We've cooked a couple of steaks on it tonight, and it went perfectly well.